Photographer pulls ahead of Fordzilla and wins the semifinals.
Crafts for sale! Get jazzed for crafts! Kendra, selling crafts at a monster truck rally is the best way ever to meet guys.
I know. There is nothing hotter than monster truck fans. Quick, who would you rather sleep with, him or the fat guy on Lost?
The fat guy on Lost, because you know he's got money.
Cheese and rice almighty. Check out the hottie by the talking tire.
What the freaking hell?
She thinks you're hot. You stuffed. I knew you stuffed.
So what? Who cares, homo?
What's going on, ladies?
Nothing.
We're selling crafts. Everything you need for the holidays.
Like this turkey playing a banjo.
And Santa and Jesus oven mitts. Ho, ho, ho! I died for you.
For Hanukkah, we've got Star of David Rice Krispie treats.
And for Kwanzaa, we have Tupac, Biggie, and Oprah in a manger. They're made out of Tootsie Rolls.
So, are you jazzed for anything you see?
Yeah, you might say I'm jazzed for 2 things. Actually, make that 4 things. Get it?
No.
All right, let me give you a hint. You each got 2 things that I'm jazzed about. Get it?
No.
No.
Let me give you another hint. Okay, you each got 2 things that I'm jazzed about, and they got nipples on them. So, ladies, my name's Ted, but my friends call me Reno because hookers are comfortable around me. What are your names?
Kendra.
Kendra.
You go.
No, you go.
Kendra.
You know what? I'll figure it out later. How old are you girls?
19.
Perfect, just the way I like them. Legal with 1 extra year experience.
Yeah, we got it.
So, are you 2 models?
No. Well, kinda. There are some before and after pictures of me in my dentist's office. I used to have a mouth like a horse.
And now you got a mouth like a pretty little pony.
Yeah. I was almost a model. I once passed out at a frat party, and someone took some Polaroids of me naked, and they sent them to Beaver Trail magazine, but they weren't accepted.
Well, they made a big mistake. And I should know, because I'm a professional photographer.
Wow. Where's your camera?
Right here. Nice. You know, I'd like to do a session with the 2 of you together in my studio.
Where's your studio?
It's in my van. What do you say?
I don't know.
Come on. Promise I won't hurt you. I'll even let you do Jello shots off my 6-pack.
Oh, boy.
Well, okay.
Yeah, I'll go too, but I have to be home by 9 to give my grandpa a sponge bath.
Not a problem. Session starts right now, all right?
Okay.
Don't talk, just walk right in front of me, all
I
right?
can do that.
There you go.
I'm
That's it. That's it. Put your hand on her ass.
Boy.
There you go.